In this video, we are going to go over how to multiply a positive integer by a negative integer. So these rules that are going to come out of multiplying integers are going to need to be rules that you commit down to memory, but that doesn't mean that we shouldn't then understand why the rules work the way they do so that that memory sticks down well. Let's jump into these problems. This says 4 times negative 2. Now here's the rule. When you multiply a positive number by a negative number, the resulting value is going to be negative. In other words, a positive times a negative is a negative, or a negative times a positive is a negative. So when you multiply opposite signs, you get a negative number. Why is that? Well, let's look and see. So using the rule, we would say this is the same as 4 times 2, which is 8. And let me write that equal sign a little nicer. So, but it's a positive times a negative, so it's negative 8. Why is that? Well, this literally communicates multiply 4 times negative 2. Or in other words, multiplication, which is repeated addition, is telling you to add negative 2 to itself 4 times, or go to the left 2 4 times. And that's why we're getting a negative. So we'll start at 0. If we go to the left 2 4 times, so that's like one group right here. So that's one shot. And then let me do it in arcs actually. So I'll erase that, and I think it might be better shown if I do this in an arc. So we'll add negative 2 once, and then twice. So that's negative 2 plus negative 2. And then we'll go again, another negative 2. Here we are, negative 6, and another negative 2 to negative 8. So that's negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, negative 2. So you're literally adding negative 2 to itself 4 times, or going to the left 2 4 times. So what would our answer have to be? Well, negative. We're going to the left, and we never go to the right. So a negative times a positive is a negative. Knock that one into that brain. Don't let it out. Okay, so a negative times a positive is a negative. So we just do 3 times 9 here, which is 27. But since it's a negative times a positive, we get negative 27. Or we're going to the left 3 times with 9 units each time. So you can think of it that way, or go 3 times, well, to the left, you're going 3, 9 times. It doesn't matter which way you look at it, you're going to end up going to the left 27. Okay, this one says 6 times negative 20. Well, 6 times negative 20 is a negative times a positive, so it's going to be a negative, and 6 times 20 is 120. And so that's your answer. Again, it makes sense because you're going to the left 20 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 20, all to the left, left 120. There you have it, folks. A negative times a positive is a negative, or a positive times a negative is a negative. Get that one down.